Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will discuss how you can change your age on Bumble. So let's start. As you go to Bumble, open your profile and go to edit profile. Scrolling through the edit profile section, you won't find any option to change your age. Likewise, there is no any option to change age on the settings as well. Hence, as with name on Bumble, you cannot change your age directly from the Bumble app. However, the officials have provided a feature by which you can apply to change your age on the dating platform. To do that, you will have to head to the official website of Bumble. For that, go to a browser of your choice and search for Bumble change age on the search bar. Among the results, tap on this first result from the official website of Bumble. At this stage, you can tap on here which is highlighted in order to reach to a section from where you can apply to change your age on your Bumble account. Hence, in this way, you can change your age on the dating platform. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel.